Moving along, my next guest is Dr. Joel Spears. He is a co-owner of a clinic in Plano, Texas called The Need, spelled with a K, K-N-E-A-D. And it's a medical massage clinic, and we're going to tease out what the difference is between medical massage and what you may have encountered on vacation at the spa. Welcome. Good morning, Dr. Spears.
Thank you for having me, Marty.
Well, I want to just start out with the fact that I went to your clinic. I experienced the process. I was amazed, and probably maybe just walking through what happened with me would be a way of explaining the difference between medical massage. First of all, besides a consultation and asking with a doctor what was bothering me, any complaints or issues I had, which I didn't have much of anything, but I had a couple of kind of annoying things, one of which was a knee. Tell us what that postural analysis that you did, which put up on a screen and showed me very clearly what was going wrong. Tell us about that.
Yeah, a lot of what we see in our office is basically postural aches and pains. People come in and they fill out their paperwork and they circle the diagram of the person front and back on their paperwork that usually is only the back because that's where our postural aches and pains come from due to computer, due to lifestyle, and a lot of our procedures are based on postural correction, taking care of those aches and pains. And we do a digital posture analysis to address what specific muscles need to really be focused on for that correction.
And they may not, this is the interesting part, they may not be the ones that are hurting, right? Because if you have something that's overly tight, the pain may be showing up in a different place.
That's very true. There is referral type of trigger point pains. There are referral points for tight, fatigued muscles. And there's all different types of aches and pains, but they all mean something different. And that's the difference between a medical massage versus like a spa or Swedish massage. Like basically addressing, I say massage with a purpose. It's massage with a therapeutic, get in there, take care of business, and get some real change.
Well, in my case, you pointed out something I was doing routinely that was making my knee more sensitive, which was the way I sat with my legs crossed right over left was aggravating it. Based on your advice, I stopped doing that. And in addition to the benefit I got from the massage, and I'm overdue for my next one. Sorry about that. I've been on the road.
Right.
I actually experienced a lot of improvement and showed up at the gym. I could do some things that I wasn't able to do previously. But you're a chiropractor by training, but you don't focus on what most people think of as chiropractic, which is just moving bones around. I'm fascinated with the idea that the bones go where the soft tissue, that being the muscles and the tendons and the ligaments, tell it to. Is that integral to the kind of therapy you do? Is releasing tension, retraining muscles with the idea that the bones start behaving better?
Exactly. And chiropractic deals with bones, but bones by nature cannot be reshaped. Bones are static. They're hard. They cannot be reshaped. Muscles can. Muscles attach to bones by tendons, and that's what moves bones. So in relationship to that, think about if you were to reshape, restructure, re-energize, and refocus your energy on the muscle appropriately, the muscle will then respond and make the bone move and stay more correct. And that's really the foundation. Of course, chiropractic is something we do, but really my focus is to isolate those muscles for my therapist to really focus on that muscle re-education.
Which they do, and they're very skilled, and it's a very nice environment. I enjoyed, although it wasn't the strictly, there were a couple of times when it was like, oh, she's working there. It wasn't necessarily just the relaxation. I could feel the work actually being done. Well, if somebody's in Scranton, Pennsylvania, saying, well, I'm not coming to Plano, Texas for this kind of help, what kind of resource is there for them to find a practitioner who does medical massage and with the chiropractic analysis like you have? Is there such a thing?
There are limited. With that being said, we're probably one of the only medically managed massage clinics that we know of. Medically managed meaning we have our own medical doctor, I have a nurse practitioner that's come on board, and I'm a chiropractor. So everything's through our dictation of our medical doctor, ultimately the diagnosis, and ultimately the treatment. But a lot of facilities are now expanding as far as chiropractic offices are involving massage. And the detail in which they go into is unique to everybody as far as their technique and, of course, the individual therapist. But there are a lot of different opportunities out there at physical therapy office, physical medicine clinics. Those are getting a lot more popular. That means that basically a medical doctor is dictating that. So, just be a little bit more particular, ask the right questions, go in with the mindset that you want some change and you want something focused on specifically, and that turns into a bit more problem-focused medical massage.
Well, you've given us a lot of good questions to ask, and just that whole thought process that, well, wait a minute, if I have to keep going back to the chiropractor and have the same kinds of adjustments, there's some kind of a tension recreating or some bad posture or some bad ergonomics at work or something that's causing that. And on Healthy by Nature, we're all about, can we get to the ultimate cause and fix that? So, at Natural Health Fest, please tell us what you're doing in the booth and what prize you're giving.
Yeah, we have a door prize that will include a free hour massage, which is basically a medical massage treatment that includes a consultation with me and a digital posture analysis to make it more customized so that way your visit with us is not only free, but it's very beneficial. You maximize your benefit. At the booth, we'll be doing actually a chair massage. I know walking around events and things like that can add up and carrying around certain things, but doing a free 10-minute chair massage is excellent for that. And then we'll also be giving away a chance to come into our office again. That may include a free 30-minute massage, too, when you come in.
All right. Well, you have lots of reasons to go there, and I think... are you one of the passport stops? I don't have it in my notes, but in any case, you're going to want to check up on The Need, and that's KNEAD. They'll be on the list of exhibitors when you get there March 29th at the Natural Health Fest in Plano, Texas, at the Plano Center. Please stay tuned. We're going to talk to Chris Miles about green and healthy houses. Thank you so much, Dr. Spears. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Marty.